Hello and welcome to this quick video on the Stampin' Up kits collection. Now, if you are brand new to card making, then this is a great place to start. I mean, they do make great gifts as well, but this is all about coming in. It can be very overwhelming when you enter the world of card making. Everyone's got tools and techniques and terms that you don't know what they mean, what they do, or anything like that. But you do fancy either having a bit of creative time to yourself to release your creativity, or perhaps you just want to spend some time on your own for a couple of hours chilling without too much stress or pressure. So that's where these Stampin' Up kits collections come in, really. There's not a lot to them, so they're a great entry point and great price as well. So there are two different types of kits. They come in this little like pizza box here, and when you open them, there's two different sorts. First of all, one with stamps and one without. Simple as that. So let's just go with, first of all, this kit here, which is a non-stamping kit. So this is exactly as it comes. You have some instructions, and then these actually come in cellophane, but gives you an example of what is here. So I mean, this to start with gives you 3 different cards. So there are 9 cards in this kit, 3 of each design, and it shows you the designs there. It comes with envelopes. You literally do not need anything else than this kit. Now these non-stamping kits are just £11.25, so what a bargain. You've got instructions here in pictures, if you can see that, with each card. This tells you here what you need for each card. So card number 1, this is what you need. For card number 2, this, and for card number 3, that. And then you've got those individual instructions there as well. So it tells you to, hang on, let's go back in, there we go, to take this sticker off and put it there and add dots and things like that. So all the instructions are there for you. You've also got on the back here a detail of what's included in the kit, so you can check that everything you should have, you've got. There's also a learn stamping basics. Well, for this kit, we don't actually need to do that. But on the next kit that I'm going to show you, that would be good to kind of scan that and take a look at that. But then the instructions for this kit, again, this is a QR code. So just scan the camera over your phone or your QR reader app on your phone, and you can watch instructions for someone actually making these step by step. Now I've made a couple of these kits up, so you could watch mine as well, but this particular kit has the QR code. So if you're not one for following instructions like that, but you want to see somebody actually doing it, then the instructions are there. You just click on that QR code and you are off. It also tells you coordinating colors, just so you know what kind of colors you're using. But let's have a quick look at the contents of this kit, and then I'll show you a stamping kit so you can just see what the difference is. But literally all this comes, let's get rid of the box now. Great box, great for posting. So here's our envelopes. They're decorated on the front, all the same, and they have actually got a pattern on the inside as well. And then we have all our base cards at the back. Hold on. Oh, there's some more envelopes, or envelopes, depending on where you are. Here's our base cards. So these are already come with a pattern on them. So you've got 3 in that colour way, 3 in that colour way, and then you've got the 3 with the ink splats on already. And you literally just fold them in half and you're off. So here's some other bits and bobs that go with it. So I showed you that. They're just die cuts. They're already, well, laser cut really. They're laser cut stickers. They're sticky on the back and you just peel them off and stick them on. You've also got some of these die cuts as well. So again, they're stuck and they're sticky on the back. You just peel them off. We've got some beautiful gold foil ones as well to go on there. And then we've got some greetings as well. Now, often, because in Europe, so Stampin' Up is in North America, Canada, South Pacific, but in Europe, we obviously speak different languages. So we will have sentiments in German, English, and French. So you can either just obviously use the English ones, that's what they're there for. But if you've got a German friend or a French friend and you want to send them a sentiment in their own language, you've got them. And in worst case, if you don't use that, turn it over. You've got a spare tag already there that you can use for something else. So they are that. And then you even get some little sequins here as well. There must be, there normally comes a got rid of my glue dots in here, some glue dots as well. But there's everything there. You don't need anything else in there to make the cards, and just follow the instructions. So that kind of gives you an idea of what a non-Stampin' Up kit looks like. And then let's show you what the stamping one looks like. So the stamping ones are £18, so a little bit more, but you'll see what she says. Exactly the same, comes with instructions. And then all these bits, but the extra things you get with a stamping kit, and don't look at this too bad because I haven't put this all back properly. Oh, you can see, you get the idea. When I was making this, it's gone everywhere, look. Oh dear. So you get this stamp set. So basically, once you've used this set, you've got it for life, kind of. So you've got to let me grow, and this is about weather. So we've got some clouds and some rain and things like that, and a few sentiments. So that's a photopolymer stamp set. You do need to stick these to an acrylic block. But ta-da! Here's one we made earlier. That's included in the kit, so you don't need anything else. So you've got this to use for the rest of your life, basically. And you also get a little ink spot as well. So that is one of our tiny stamping spots, we call them, in basic grey. So you ink your stamp and do your sentiment. We've also got some twine in here, some embellishments there. But we've also got glue dots. So glue dots are flat. They've got paper over the top, but they're sticky that side. So you peel it off, you stick it on, and then you peel this paper off the top. It's a double-sided glue dot as such. And then this kit came with 100, what we call dimensionals, but they're just 3D foam tape. So again, everything included in there. So get rid of that. You can see the die cuts. You can see different envelopes that are done there. I think they've got different colours inside. And that was one of the cards that I made. So a little bit more complicated, only in as much as, I mean, these deep die cuts are popped out as before, but you're tying bows, and that sentiment there has been stamped. But that gives you an idea. So basically, you've got your acrylic block and your stamp set and your ink spot. These things are extra to the non-stamping kits. So non-stamping kits, £11.25. These ones 18. So just, I think, a really reasonable price. And again, you've got that bit there with the QR code on the back. So, oh, she says, and again, you've got that beginner learning stamping basics when you do that code. So if you've never stamped before and you don't know how to do it, or you want some top tips, then you can scan that. And if you want to see somebody making these up step by step, then you've got that one as well. To give you an example, they are the 3 cards in that kit. And the kits change all the time, so that's why they're not in a catalogue, because when they're sold out, we're going to move on to the next one. So rather than having a kit that needs to stay in for a catalogue for like a year or something like that, we'll be constantly updating them. But they are a great place to start and build your confidence, say, if you're brand new to card making. Make great gifts, absolutely, for anybody, or you can take them away with you if you're going sort of a staycationing in the UK or in your home country, and you just want to take some creativity with you that you can do quickly without taking your whole craft room with you. Then these are great as well. But I say, a great entry point into card making, giving you a bit of confidence with things already done for you, with step-by-step instructions and everything in the kit. You don't need to buy anything to use these kits. So I hope that's been helpful. You will see a link below to all the current kits, because I say I'm videoing this in where are we, July 2021, and these kits are available at the moment, but in a month's time they may not be. And obviously, as we get nearer Christmas, we're going to get some more Christmas theme ones, so you will see them rotating. But there are 10 different kits available at the moment. So yeah, they're a great entry point, as I say, and great for you to build your skills and get some experience at card making. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you soon. Any questions, as always, message me, add your details to the contact form, anything you like.